What's up, everybody? Main boat guy. What's up, everybody? Main boat guy, back again. Today we're gonna mess around with some steering. If you got frozen steering or hard steering, a lot of times where your steering goes through your tilt tube in the engine, you can see the rust on there. It's building up on the inside. A lot of people use year after year to clean those tilt tubes, these brushes, put it on a drill, take the steering cable out, run it through there, cleans it up real nice, but it still leaves exposed metal, which will cause rust, and then it rusts back up pretty much every season. So on this one, yeah, you know, after a few years of cleaning it with this, we're going to finally replace this tilt tube. Basically holds true for all your outboards on how this is going to come off. They're about all the same, maybe a couple different parts obviously, but they all go on and off fairly the same. You're going to have to unbolt the motor if you don't have clearance to slide the tilt tube out like I don't, or get the steering out. So we're going to get set up here. I've already started unbolting it, but got to get my hoist out. We're going to hang this motor on the hoist, unbolt it, slide that steering out, unbolt this tilt tube, and bolt a new one in. And I'll set the I'll try and put a link in the description for these tools, so if you don't want to change that tilt tube and you just want to clean it, you'll be able to find them. All right, new tilt tube in, cable's back in, plenty of grease on the cable, loaded up with grease, as much grease as you can get in there. These things can get a lot of water in them, a lot of spray coming up in here when you're driving, so grease, grease, grease. Smooth. So every year, grease on this side, but you pull the cable out, put grease on the cable, put the cable back in. No issues. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like this if you like it. See you next time.